Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Wealth Unlimited. Today we are going to learn about a new term called coffee can investing. We're gonna decode it. We're gonna tell you about the history of coffee can investing and why it is considered to be one of the lowest risk taking investment strategy in stock market. So you must be wondering, what is it? Well, coffee can investing is a way to grow your money by investing for a long term in companies with consistent result. So when we talk about the coffee can investing, it is coined by Robert G. Kirby in US, where people used to hide their valuable items in coffee cans and place them under the mattresses. So basically, this ideology comes and tells us about buying a good stocks and forgetting about them for long-term period, which helps us generating wealth in long-term perspective. So think about this. You own a pant and you kept 10 or 1,000 rupees in your pant and forget about it. And suddenly, after a week or a month, when you again wanted to use that pant, or you kept money somewhere under the mattress, or you kept money somewhere in your cupboard and you forget about it, and surprisingly, you found it back, you feel happy about it. You feel like your money has grown. Similarly, in coffee can investing, you put your money in stocks and you forget about it. And when you come back, you see a potential returns which beats inflation and creates a massive wealth for you in long term. So basically, coffee can investing is about growing money with reducing risk by putting your money in companies which are consistent in growth, which are consistent in their result and consistent in their profits. Now we will talk about like to whom this coffee can investing favors, or who should invest in coffee can investing. So it's fairly simple. If you are a passive investor, or if you are a person who doesn't want to look much into stock market, who doesn't have time or patience to keep checking stock market or the company's result, it is for them. The people who can hold this portfolio of stocks for at least round about 10 to 15 years, then it can create a massive wealth for them. Now we'll tell you like how we are going to build your coffee can portfolio. For coffee can portfolio, there are simple steps you have to follow. You need to look for the companies who are older than 10 years. You have to look for the companies which has the market capitalization of more than 5,000 crore, and you can create portfolio of 10 to 12 companies. So when I talk about putting or making a portfolio of 10 to 12 companies, I mean you have to pick companies from different sectors. One way to go about it is like you pick the market leaders of particular industries. Like you have Tata Consultancy Service in IT, you have Nestle or Hindustan Unilever in FMCG sector, you have HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank in your bank financial and banking sectors. You have Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, who are the market leaders and who has a good brand value associated with them. And the companies are continuously showing the revenue growth of greater than 10% year on year. So you can definitely go and pick the big names of a particular industry, make a portfolio out of it, and start investing in a systematic way. Every month you can put your money, or even you can do a lump sum amount, which is also known as a one shot payment. Directly put money in these companies and forget about them and keep them for a long term period. One of the major benefit about the coffee can investing is like it has almost every year beaten the index return, which is provided by the index or the index mutual funds. You have to be very specific while picking your companies, and I have already told you, like, you can always do that. Like, you can go with the market leaders, build a portfolio of 10 to 12 companies, and start investing. Well, coffee can investing is a no-brainer. There is no rocket science behind it, and it can create a massive wealth for you. So thanks for watching Wealth Unlimited. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll try to get you some more tips or some more investment strategies which are low at risk. And if you have any queries, you can comment on the video. I will definitely try to take those queries on our next video. And if you want, or if you have any suggestion for the channel, then definitely you can also post it and I will try to implement that on the channel. That's it for today, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching Wealth Unlimited. If you like the video, press the like button, share it, and subscribe.